Hi everyone. Welcome to Wi-Fi Booster. If your AT&T internet isn't working, don't worry. I'm here to help you fix it quickly. Let's get started. First, let's try some simple fixes. Step 1. Restart your modem and router. Unplug your modem and router. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can solve a lot of issues. Step 2. Check cables. Make sure all the cables are plugged in tightly. A loose cable can stop your internet from working. Step 3. Try another device. See if another device can connect to the internet. If it can, the problem might be with your first device. Step 4. Move your router. Sometimes, the location of your router can affect your internet connection. Place your router in a central location in your home, away from walls and other electronics that might interfere with the signal. Step 5. Reset your modem and router. Reset your modem and router to factory settings. Find the reset button, press it for 10 seconds. This will erase your custom settings. Step 6. Reduce interference. Other electronic devices can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Keep your router away from devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and baby monitors. Step 7. Contacting support. If you've tried all these steps and your internet's still not working, visit our website www.wificrunch.com for further assistance. And that's it. I hope these steps helped you fix your AT&T internet. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.